Pa, happy 60th birthday. Sana patuloy kang gabayan ng Panginoon.
Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo na masasaya.
For the two most hardworking people I know, Uncle June and Mama Marlene, I'm so thankful to have you both. Happy birthday to both of you.
Lagi ako nagagalit pero mahal na lang ako sa'yo. Love you, mwah!
To my carbon copy, Mama dear, happy birthday. I love you. To more, many more Amara.
Happy birthday, Papa and Auntie Marley!
Memories from someone I once knew faded away and gone too soon. Still I carry on. Seems the more and more I try, the more I have to sacrifice. But I'll carry on. Reaching up to find the surface with eyes open.
Ang wish ko po sa aming magkambal ay bigyan po sana kami ng ating mahal na Panginoon ng mahabang buhay pa para hindi lang ito ang aming paggugunita sa aming kaarawan.
The night is finally done. I know the best is yet to come. I lift my head up to the rising sun. I run towards you in the horizon. I run towards you in the horizon.
Happy birthday, Papa. Sana palagi tayong masigla at pagputihin natin ang kalooban natin sa awan ng Diyos. Maabot pa natin ng matagal sa buhay natin. I love you, Papa.
Wishing you many more birthdays to come. Buti dumating ka sa buhay ko. Kung hindi ka dumating, baka kung hindi mo ako kung nasaan ako ngayon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Gagalak ako na makakasama kong magdiwang ng ika-6 na po kaarawan ang aking kakambal. Kasi yung huling pagdiwang namin ng birthday na magkasama ay nung 1983 pa. Salamat ading ko at inalok mo ako na magdiwang tayo ng kaarawan na sabay. Love you ading ko, ang kakambal ng buhay ko.
And when the night